Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Azzuno, A-Z-Z-U-N-O welding helmet here. It's got a nice full guard. It's got all your different settings here, from shade, from 9 to 13, sensitivity settings, fast, medium, and slow reaction. It's got on the inside a test button, and it's got your different settings as well right here. And it's rechargeable via USB-C. So let's go ahead and test it out right here. Oops. Took the ground off earlier. Okay, here we go. And there we go, folks. Works great. Was sent to me for review.